Stop for our daily intake of crap.
But it's delicious crap.
And we are still booking her around Highway 132 on the Gaspe Peninsula. Look at the waterfall.
Oh, cool. Where is it?
It's going up.
Where is it?
It's going up.
To?
The wind is blowing it up. It's not coming
It's
down.
blowing the mist up.
Got a room for the night. Excellent. And we might do a little bit of swimming before we go to bed. Cool. We are in a place called Chandler West. It's
Quebec?
Gaspe area out in Quebec. Here's where we stayed last night. Not a bad little place. Not bad?
That was alright. It was a bed.
Yeah, exactly. Well, no,
The food
it was a bed and shower, and the restaurant was awesome. Time to hit the road, see how far we get today. We might even make it back to that place with all the little statues and stuff. Or, actually, I'm thinking we might even go farther than that today. But we'll just play it by ear and see what happens.
I like this kind of trip.
just totally winging it.
But if we go back to the place with the little statues, this time I'm getting the fuck burger.
It means it's a seal. I had that the last time. New Richmond, Quebec. We finally gave in. We stopped at Tim Hortons toujours phrase, service of volant. Check this out. Yeah, exactly. Jeez, I can't get my friggin' sleeve off of there. There we go. Check this shit out. Tim Hortons cups usually red and white, not blue and white. Friggin'. I want to go down here. Ooh. Bit of a steep climb. Holy crap, the friggin' flies down here are nasty. Ooh, I gotta get up this hill. I better turn this off so you don't see me break my face. Alrighty, so we were here yesterday, well, 2 days ago, yesterday morning, whatever, we left yesterday morning. Check this out. Tide was up the other day, now look at it. We were out there, walking around on the other side of those friggin' things the other day. Now look at them, they're all underwater. How cool is that? What do you think?
It's all underwater.
Yeah, I figured you'd get a better shot down here. Probably a lot of wind, but whatever. There's those. I mean, we were out there, man. Those things were like taller than us, and like they're underwater now. How wild is that, eh? Alrighty. Let's go back in and buy some stuff and go home. That is a shrimp poutine.
It's a crevette poutine.
It's a crevet. For the first time, we are actually camping in a park. We're camping here. There's a place we're camping at. Tons of spots. Here's where we're staying tonight. Like it matters. There we go. That's just locked up for the night. But we got the water hooked up. We got the electricity hooked up on the other side. What?
Do you want your cozy?
Oh my God, you look like a dummy.
Do you want your drink can?
No, I'm good, thanks. And oh, looks like
Oh, honey, honey.
we can hook up to the shitter too. Jesus, what do you want, woman? Oh, thanks. That's good. That's good. I needed that. Aw. So it's kind of a debate. Should we get home a little early, grab the car and the little trailer, and go for another little run over to Tobermory really quick just to say we did? And one more thing here. I got a question for you. Tell me what you think, guys. Let's see if I can get that in there. See those torsion bars? Apparently they're really nice to have on a trailer. This guy over here just raves about them. These ones, well, I don't have them on this one, so tell me what you think. Is it worth the money? This place is awesome. Great food, man. It's you wouldn't expect it just to drive by and look at it, but it's pretty cool. This place is awesome. It's just it's just awesome here. Such good food. So here it is from the outside. It's just like it's a big old barn. Big old barn. Just another random thing to stop and check out here. Got a place with all kinds of signs and all kinds of cool shit down there we're gonna visit. And this thing. We have no idea what it is, but we're gonna climb it. Sure. Holy man. Jeez. I've never seen so many freaking steps in the middle of nowhere. It's kind of cool. I got my shirt.
Take me with you.
It's okay, we walk back down the other side, it'd be a lot easier. Tell you, my knees are screaming.
You have a hole in your pocket.
Yep. Got a wallet hole. Got a wallet hole. Whoa.
Celle-là plus grosse, c'est semblable à ça, ça.
Les plus grosses, c'est pour ceux qui ont de la misère à...
That just happened. Yeah.
Thanks. What if I have a jack in the car? I hope I do.
So for some strange reason, the harder and harder I turn that bastard, it feels like it's gonna snap. So I just called it, oh, it is snapping. Nice. So I called a tow truck. It'll cost me $80 to get this switched up, so I can drive over there to Canadian Tire and have a new tire put on. Out of all the awesome places out here, you know, like even over here where I could blow a tire, no, I gotta blow it right in the middle of the damn highway. Right in the friggin' middle, you know. Lane over there, over here, and you know, we're in the middle. Nice. We're heading in here for something to eat. Cost $80 because my jack couldn't lift up the friggin' trailer. I was looking at my jack before I left the house. I should have brought the damn jack. I knew I should have brought that damn jack. I was looking at it, you know. Anyway, tire was on sale at Canadian Tire. Installed, it was like $133. So I guess that was okay. So now I got, you know, really good tires on it. But yeah, I'm a little lighter in the pocket. Holy crap! Definitely an 11 out of 10. We, you know, we're looking at the menu and it's just, you can't read anything. So we're trying our best with the English or our French, our lack of French knowledge. And we're looking at the price. You see, there's one with a bunch of numbers and pieces of meat, cuts of meat, whatever the hell it is, chicken, whatever. And it's like $35. Like, you know, a couple meals out of that. Cool, let's get that one. Wrong.
4 full freaking meals.
4 full meals, man. I went up to the counter. Oh, okay, cool. There was 2 up on the counter. I picked them up. I picked up 1 because it was just so much. Go back to the table. Tell the girlfriend, you gotta go get yours. She goes over. They're sliding 2 more on the table. Holy crap! Very good food, guys. Very good. Benny and Company. Alrighty, so we got going again. We had one of those highway guys that just patrol the highway looking for people stranded or something happened or whatever, just give him a hand kind of thing. He pulled up behind us. He stayed a good ways back. He put on his flashers and whatnot for us just to keep people from coming close because people were buzzing us like crazy while I was trying to change the tire. Turns out the jack for my car will not lift this trailer. How's it supposed to lift my car? I don't know. But anyway, we ended up having to call a tow truck. And let me tell you, it was hard to find somebody to speak English who could come and give me a hand. Anyway, we got it up and going. We drove it, I don't know, 10 kilometers in circles all over the place trying to get to the Canadian Tire that we had just passed. And great guys over there. They helped me out. They put a new tire on right away. The guy even came out and put on the trailer for us, which was awesome because, well, I don't have a jack for it, right? Lesson learned. Jack is going to be purchased and put into storage on the trailer. So we are at another campsite here. It's called, what's the name of this place? I'm going to butcher it, just a heads up. Capilarache. I'll show you.
Okay, but
Right there. There's where we are. And here's the view. We're gonna burn it in the old washer tub. Did I mention that we got the last remaining spot? This place is huge, and this place is freaking packed. Keep it close by. Just rotate it often.
no, the holes are what make them nice and golden brown.
Yeah, I know, but if you keep it close, it's still just as good. Agree with me.
You. You been told me.
Ah, she's nice and wet out here. Lots of rain last night. Lots of rain this morning. Good thing is everything's holding up well.
My turn.
Tires are good. She's running good. Tires good over here. A little bit greasy and covered in dust and dirt, but we're holding up well. You know, I'm gonna give this thing a torque down before we go anywhere. Check it out. Out in the ocean there, or the river, ocean mixture. Cool. Well, guys, we had quite the long day, quite the day of driving. We are about, I don't know, an hour away from North Bay. So let's just call this trip finished. And let's, we got some time this week. Maybe I'll get some stuff done.
Unless something stupid happens in the next hour.
Yeah, then we'll turn the camera back on. Coming into Mattawa now. I'll see you later.